everybody, this is episode 3 of our Modern Combat 5 Blackout gameplay series. Today we are going to be playing some multiplayer. We're going to be playing some team battles. Hopefully it's going to be on a good map. So let's just wait for players to join and let's get into the game. Scramble. Scramble is quite a good map, quite big, construction zone, but not a construction zone. But let's see how life turns out in this scramble event. Funny. So, today we are going to be simply just playing some games. I'm introducing you to my channel, adding some commentary inside, and using the bombers, and possibly the Void 6 LGR. Let's hope we do well in this game. Okay, scope. Some gun.
This is what we've been waiting for.
Okay. I believe there's going to be some people over here. Lots of spawns, etc. So let's just run about for a bit, find some people to kill.
First strike. Do not let them win.
Okay, just lost a point. I see someone over there. It's got LG already. Hard to see where all this fighting's coming from. Okay. Let's keep going. Somebody's over here.
Enemy has mobilized a recon aircraft.
We need drones, don't we? Can't find anyone. That seems to work well in this map. Let's hope it does at least. Okay, we have 2 kills and 1 death. Nice water turret events. Okay, 3-2. Just keep sniping.
Acknowledge. Recon aircraft.
Okay, we can enough. Oops, nice enough. Seems like a glitch. Still on top of the thing. So I see I'm going to pistol. Keep jumping. Fortunately, they're losing. That's bad.
Enemy recon overhead.
Should get another one right now. Let's just keep going. 3 minutes, 29 seconds left. Okay, Mark, time for a nice comeback. Even these people over here.
Enemy recon is active.
The brown house goes. Keep going, keep pushing.
Recon en route. Enemy has positioned the turret.
So close. At least we're over kill streak again. Oh, whatever. Keep on pushing. As usual. See some of them. Touching. Hold on. Okay, so we're going to continue to get into the base if I can find out where I'm going. Good. Still 8 points down. 8 more kills to go. Okay, let's just keep pushing. Enemy
recon inbound. Activating dome.
One kill. Right here. Got 14 kills in front. 10 down.
Enemy recon overhead.
Keep pushing. Can't lose this fight. Wow, unfortunately we lost. We did quite well, but we still lost. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and see you next time.